This is what you need to fix keyboard keys that are failing or not working on your computer. And what is this? This is home drive. And this can easily be found in a supermarket. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix your laptop keyboard just using home drive. So if your keyboard is failing and some keys are not working, then let me show you how you can fix those keys. And this is a method that I usually use to fix laptop keys for my clients whenever they have issue. Maybe your laptop had a liquid spill or some key eventually just stopped to work. But if all the keys are not working, then you might want first to go and remove your keyboard and check if this flex cable was properly attached to the motherboard. Then try, and if they fail, then most specifically your keyboard has just failed. And in most cases, if all the keys are not working, you may need to go ahead and replace the whole keyboard. However, if one or two keys are not functioning, then let me show you how you can fix this. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and detach your keyboard from your laptop. If you don't know how to do this, I've just left a link to a video that I show how you can detach your keyboard from your laptop. So check in the description below to watch a step-by-step process of detaching your keyboard from your laptop. So once you have removed your keyboard, and here it is, you'll need to have two things. One is this home drive. This is easily available. So what happens is if you had a spillage, if you use home drive, it will go ahead and suck any liquid that spilled on your electronic device. So apart from the home drive, you will also need this, a toothbrush that you no longer use, and this will go hand in hand to remove all the dirt and also to penetrate the corners of your keyboard. So once you have the two, it's time to get into it. Now the best way to use home drive is just to go ahead and make a hole on top here. The good thing is it doesn't evaporate, so there's no problem if you leave it like that. Now go ahead and sprinkle your home drive on the keyboard as I'm doing, you can see, and more especially focusing on the areas or on the keys that are failing, and then just sprinkle all over it, just like that. And now go ahead, brush over the keyboard, infiltrating these holes on your keys. Make sure you hit and shake all the parts like this. Make sure you apply the pressure on your toothbrush as you brush over the keyboard, targeting those keys that are failing. So once you are done, go ahead and fix your keyboard back to your laptop and then try those keys that were failing, and they should be working now. So that's how you fix all the keys on your keyboard that were failing on your laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.